Welcome to Fruity Time Travels, where fruits become time travelers on a delicious adventure. Introduction to the Fruity Time Travelers. Meet our Fruity Time Travelers, each representing a letter of the alphabet. Apple for A, banana for B, cherry for C, and so on.
Apple's adventure in ancient Athens. Apple travels to ancient Athens, the birthplace of democracy and philosophy. What a fascinating adventure! Banana's journey to the Jurassic period. Banana embarks on a journey to the Jurassic period, where dinosaurs roamed the earth. What a thrilling experience!
Cherry's quest in Camelot. Cherry ventures to Camelot, the legendary land of King Arthur and his knights. What medieval marvels await?
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.